If you guys want to know how I achieved this look, honey, it's a T-part frontal. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching.
Shorty wanna hop up on my wave like Geronimo. Pity pack, pick a pack, falling down like dominoes. Always keep the shine, I ain't talking about the mop and glow. Lights, camera, action.
Okay loves, I ain't finna waste no time. All the information that you need to know about this hair will be in the description box, so go check it out right now. Okay, so basically I'm just laying down my edges because, honey, the glue is so strong, like you want to make sure your edges are not out, okay? So after that, I kind of just put on this little silk scarf just to hold my edges down, and then I took off the scarf and put on the wig cap. I'm just cutting out the ears. Y'all probably seen this in every video. I'm taking my Got To Be Glued and I am literally just rubbing it across where my hairline is going to be, where my new hairline is going to be. And then I am drying it, and y'all gonna watch the process, but it's literally just me putting the glue, drying it, and repeating the process. Like, it takes a minute. I ain't even gonna lie. You want to make sure the wig cap is down properly because this is going to be like your new scalp, okay? So the wig cap, that's the point of it, is for it to be like this new scalp. So you want to make sure that it's literally laid down correctly. Take your time, blow dry it, and lay it down, honey, okay? Because you don't want your edges to be out. So then I took some scissors and I started to cut it. I started cutting it up from the middle, and then I worked my way around the hairline. Now y'all, I messed up. Y'all gonna see it on the next side. I messed up and my wig still came out nice, but I'm gonna explain some things as I go further into the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned, okay? But basically, I was just cutting it and I ended up taking a razor to cut it. It's a lot of trial and error putting on this wig cap. I'm not even gonna lie. I got some more Got To Be Glued because certain parts was lifting up. Y'all, it was just a lot of trial and error, like, honestly, I'm not even gonna cap. And I was using like the little edge control brush to hold it down. So now I'm taking just some makeup that matches my complexion perfectly, and I'm rubbing that all across the cap. Again, this is your new scalp, so you want to get some powder or foundation that is pretty much your skin tone, okay? This is super important. And I just threw that wig on. As you can see, I did not cut the little lace at the back. I really don't care for it. But when you put on your wig, you can cut it, okay? So I was pretty much just checking to make sure that my wig was in the right spot that I wanted it to be. I wanted to make sure my placement was correct on my hairline. So that's what I was doing. I took bedhead and I sprayed it across my new hairline. And as you guys can see, like, I kept taking a napkin because it kept dripping. You don't want it to drip. I mean, it's gonna drip regardless, but you want to catch it before it get like in your eyes and stuff. So I was just blow drying it. I also took Got To Be Glued, so I was using both of the glues. Don't ask me why. It held it down perfectly, let me just say, okay? Okay, sis, both of them at the same time, it worked. So then I just pulled the wig forward, as you can see, and I was just checking to make sure I got it in the right spot. So then I put on my scarf and I started blow drying it down, making sure that it was really, really secure. It's something about the heat from the blow dryer that dries your wig and melts it into your skin. So if you're wondering why like the blow dryer is so important, the blow dryer is literally what's gonna give you that melted look, and I use it so many times in this video, it's crazy. Okay, so another thing, I had to skip where I cut the wig and stuff. I'm so sorry if you guys wanted to see that, but I was having a hard time cutting out the ears, and I just cut the camera, sis. Okay, I just cut the camera. So now I'm just straightening out the wig, and I'm taking my hot comb to do so. I didn't straighten it out like completely, as you guys can see, but I did it for the most part. I just wanted to get it, you know, kind of straight before I figured out what the hell else I was gonna do with the hair, y'all, because you gonna see in the next clip, but I was like, I kept trying to figure out, like, do I like this? So when I was done with that part, I just took some of the powder and I put it on the front of the lace where I cut it, just to make it look like my skin tone. Okay, so I don't think I like it straight. Okay, y'all, so I really did not like it straight, I'm not gonna lie. So what I did was I cut some layers into it. It was probably hella bogus, but I tried. And then I just got my curling wand and I just started putting curls all over it. So I'm gonna shut up, y'all could watch, it's pretty self-explanatory. But that's why the hair look all jagged and stuff, because I was like, I want to try something new. But it look cute when it's done, so just wait, okay? Trust the process before you judge me, honey. Y'all know I ain't no hair expertise. Okay, so when I was done with that, I was pretty much just checking to make sure I liked everything, tucking my wig in the back. And this is my favorite part, is taking the wand and pressing it across the top of my head. It helps to like lay down your hair, so that's one of my favorite parts for sure. And yeah, y'all, I was just brushing through, combing through, trying to get the flyaways. Also, oh my god, don't ask me why, but the part was giving me a hard time. Like, it's crooked as hell, as y'all could see. To define the part, I took some concealer that's a little bit lighter than my complexion, and I also fixed the part in my next video, so yeah. But overall, that's a little install. Right now I'm gonna just let this clip play out, but basically I'm just showing you guys like the finishing product and what I be doing. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up, click that subscribe button, comment down below how you feel about this new look on me, this new look. I like it. I didn't like it at first, but I had did my makeup and I was like, okay, I look good, I look good. So comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Please like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so freaking much. Show me some love and peace out.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.